In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PSD or AI files into HTML using Figma. This is an essential skill for web developers, designers, and anyone interested in transforming stunning designs into fully functional web pages. We'll go through a straightforward step-by-step process to ensure you can easily follow along and achieve excellent results. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Figma. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that allows you to work on various design projects seamlessly. To begin, simply open your web browser and head over to Figma's website. Once you're on the Figma homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You'll see the Login button prominently displayed on the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to create one, which is pretty straightforward. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the homepage, you'll find all your recent projects and the option to create new ones. The home option is where you'll get started with accessing your files and organizing your work. Now, to get into the creative part, click on Design. This option will take you to the space where you can start working on your design projects. This is where all the magic happens, so it's good to get comfortable with the panel and the tools you'll find here. Next, look for the Action menu. As you click here, you'll be granted access to multiple functionalities within Figma, including extensions that allow you to perform specific tasks. This menu will be instrumental as we proceed with the conversion process. In the Action menu, use the search bar to look for Convert PSD. This feature will narrow down your options and help you find the specific tool you need to convert your PSD or AI files into a format you can use in Figma and eventually convert to HTML. Once you've located Convert PSD, you'll need to click on Codia AI PSD to Figma. This conversion tool will facilitate the process of importing your PSD design files into Figma, automatically rendering them into editable layers and components that you can work with. That's it. You've successfully used Figma to set the stage for converting PSD or AI files into HTML. With these tools and steps, you're now ready to transform your static designs into dynamic, HTML readable content, paving the way for you to create beautiful interactive web pages. Remember, the key to becoming proficient at this is practice and exploration, so don't hesitate to experiment and learn as you go. Happy designing!